Welcome to LAAD 2019. International Armored Group is one of the largest privately owned armored vehicle manufacturers in the world. Our company history started 20 years ago with cash in transit field and expanded into commercial armored vehicles and followed by armored passenger transport and recently tactical armored vehicles. IG believes in continuous development of its know-how and implementation of latest technologies and designs in the industry, as proven by our armored vehicles certified to standard military standards for both ballistic and blast protection. Following huge success of IAG's armored vehicles worldwide in USA, in Canada, Iraq, UAE, in Asian and African markets, this year at LAAD 2019, IAG is proud to extend its global reach to South American market with the aim to provide advanced armored vehicles to military and law enforcement agencies of Latin America. This IAG JAWS APC is a multi-purpose lightweight vehicle solution specifically designed and engineered to meet the requirements of versatility of military and police agencies worldwide. It is also well suited as border patrol vehicle and has earned its reputation for safely transporting troops in high-risk regions such as Iraq and Africa. The IAG JAWS is built on a heavy-duty truck chassis equipped with a powerful twin-turbo diesel engine and intelligent all-wheel drive system to ensure a high level of mobility in rough terrains. The JAWS APC is available in both left-hand drive and right-hand drive, offers up to 300 horsepower and coupled to 6-speed automatic transmission. The JAWS features independent double wishbone front suspension, beam-type rear suspension, front and rear shock absorbers with external reservoirs, heavy-duty coil springs and reinforced axles. The standard JAWS armoring configuration provides protection up to CEN B6 and IJ3 or STANAG Level 1. With the available add-on armor kit, JAWS protection can be increased to CEN B7 and IJ4 or STANAG Level 2 capable of stopping armored piercer rounds. IAG offers blast protection against grenades, landmines and IEDs, and it can seat up to 8 passengers. The optional package includes 360-degree rotating gun turret, remote control weapon station, blackout lights, high surveillance camera system, public address system and many more. IAG has held a BRV 2009 VR7 certification on its Land Cruiser 200 for 8 years now. But we wanted to push the envelope and put our certified Land Cruiser for even more stringent tests. As a result, we successfully passed the military STANAG Level 2A blast certification on this commercial armored platform. When it comes to civilian-looking armored vehicles such as TLC-200, it's very difficult to obtain such high blast certification as the manufacturer is not able to equip the vehicle with V-hull-shaped floor, thus making the task of passing 6 kg of TNT under the vehicle very difficult. The TLC-200 you see today is IAG's flagship commercial platform and is available with ballistic protection of CEN B6, B7, BRV 2009 VR7, STANAG Level 1, 2 in combination with blast certifications for DM51 hand grenades on the roof and floor, HG85 hand grenades on roof and floor, DM31 anti-tank mine protection under the floor, 6 kg of TNT under the front driver wheel and 17 kg of TNT side blast. The diversity of drivetrain configurations along with the high level of protection has led to TLC-200 being the most sought-after armored vehicle in the industry. To date, IAG has sold and exported over 5,000 armored TLCs worldwide and are currently deployed by NGOs, peacekeeping operators, government organizations and security companies and forces. The added attention to detail and rigorous quality control checks on all armored vehicles has made IAG into global and trusted brand it's today. All our vehicles are fully backed with IAG's comprehensive warranty and after-sales support regardless of which part of the world they are deployed in. To know more about IAG, our capabilities and product range, please visit our website at www.interarmored.com. Thank you.